Alright, you do the intro, buddy. Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be building a computer. So this is one that we have right here. This is our friend's old computer that he used to use because it sucks. So we originally planned to take all the parts out and put it into this new case over here. If you want to zoom in, I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, we're zooming in.
It's a Corsair Spec 03 mid-tower case. But I mean, it looks pretty neat, but unfortunately it won't work with the parts that we have because they're not standard. But you know, it'll still give people a better idea of how to put a computer together because they're still parts.
Okay, so we're gonna start with the CPU, which is right here. It's a 3 gigahertz CPU, and the correct way to put it in is to look at the bottom left corner, which shows an arrow, and then you align that with the corresponding piece right there on the motherboard. Slide the CPU in just like that. Wow, that's nice. Okay, and then just pull the latch down, and then your CPU is in.
Yay! Yeah, so RAM's like it's used for faster speeds, especially in things like Chrome and other web browsers. It is volatile though, so it will lose all of its data if you shut off the computer. It should snap in. There's one. There's two. There. So the little tabs on the side, once they close in, you can tell that it is all good to go. And these RAM, they look a little different from some, if you like Google a picture, because these ones don't have any heat spreaders on them. A lot of modern ones, they have metal plates on top to dissipate the heat, but these ones do not because they are old. So the heatsink is used to dissipate the heat from the CPU, so it can better use its functions. And then we have thermal paste over here. It's just thermal compound, but it's the same thing. It's just a paste to fill in any imperfections on either the heatsink or the CPU, so it can better dissipate the heat.
Morgan is now putting in the motherboard.
He is?
Morgan has put the motherboard in.
Ah! Okay.
Okay,
screw these all in.
Yep.
We should probably time lapse that.
Yeah, that's what. Oh my god. Man, you almost destroyed the chipset. You know what? Time lapse. Alright, here we go.
You want to do a sick unboxing of that thermal paste?
Sure.
Yeah. Are we allowed to have knives in a school video?
Only if we're using them safely.
Okay.
Yeah, let's just.
Yeah, I don't.
Don't worry, I'm getting all the paint
Yeah, maybe
off.
we should just rip it.
I don't think you need that.
Dang.
Freaking thermal paste. I just making
I
sure.
realize that I'm kind of holding this angle. That's nice. Let's watch Morgan struggle. Look at that. Look at that action. Oh.
Come on, thermal paste, get over there.
Nice. Actually, I think there was a this little thing right there. This little perforated tab right here. You could have just pulled that open. But and there he goes. Bye. Okay, it looks like I'm building a computer by myself now. Oh, jeez. Okay, that's good. Don't push anymore.
I'm not pushing.
Then just lift it up.
It's gonna go everywhere. I got out.
You left like a little stream of stuff on there. We'll probably wash that off.
Don't worry, it's gonna be okay.
It's highly conductive, and if it touches the board, it'll fry it.
You reckon this will work?
Nope.
Cool.
Here's graphics processing unit.
It's not like we're building a graphics card. That would be much more impressive, though. Yeah, we just took all these parts from Colton. That's not very impressive.
Yeah.
I am putting in the GPU, or graphics processing unit,
Wow.
also called a video card.
What does that do?
It relieves stress from the CPU so it can perform its dedicated tasks.
Alright, let's stop talking
That
like
sounded
this.
pretty scripted.
Okay. Hey, outlet in there? That's pretty... That's like almost a play on words.
There we go.
Oxymoron. Okay, now we're gonna move this camera right over here. Cause that'll work nicely, I think, anyway.
Alright, these are good. These are in.
Alright,
Alright, solid state drive. It's a lot faster.
then the hard drive, which is over there.
Yeah. It's also a lot smaller too. This is the hard drive.
Yeah.
Alright, so here's the computer all put together and finished.
Yup. That's everything.
Storage, SSD, HDD, heatsink, motherboard with the CPU, RAM, chipset, all that stuff, power supply, and then DVD drives.
I'll use this thing.
And that's just the back plate that covers it.
So yeah, okay, that's done.
Nice.